Alright guys, what's up? It's Miguel here. Another DEWALT video unboxing the DCS, what is this? DCS361B. This is the 7 1/4 20-volt cordless miter saw that they have. I've been wanting it for about 2 years now. The last time I did baseboards, I said the next time I'm going to do baseboards, I'm going to have it. And yeah, so I decided to get it. I got this one from Lowe's for $279 minus 5% off on the Lowe's card. Yeah, I'm very happy. So we'll do the unboxing video. I'm going to do my baseboards tomorrow, all DEWALTed out with 18 gauge nailer. This is the which one is this? DCS361B. Using it with a 5 amp hour battery. I was thinking of doing the dust collection with my DEWALT vacuum to have a fully cordless experience, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'll probably end up using this VacMaster 8-gallon HEPA vac. I got that on one of my videos too. It's a really great video, and it comes with a fantastic wand that makes everything for cleanup really nice. So I got the tool only because I already have a ton of DEWALT batteries, and the actual kit was a little bit pricey. This one was $286 after the 5% off from Lowe's. They do have it at Amazon. I'll put the links on for I think $277. That nice packaging over here, and the actual saw with the blade already in it. That's wonderful. That's what I wanted to see. Start the job early tomorrow, and just wanted to see what was in the box, and didn't want to have to assemble anything in the morning. But that's the saw right there. Been waiting a while to get this, and now it's here. Every time I went to Lowe's, I was kind of flirting with it, wanting it more and more, and now I have it. Yeah, I was watching a couple videos on YouTube on this, just to really make sure that I wanted to get it, not that I didn't want to get it anyway. But let's do this. It's fairly light. I mean, it weighs as much as any other miter saw that's about this size. I've been using a Porter cable folding miter saw, and this one just really completes my DEWALT collection. I think that's a lie, because collections are never really complete. And there you go. So a couple tools over here. Figure that out later. And then the wood clamp, or whatever it's called, over here. A lot of styrofoam, great packing. Adjustable lever, very nice. And I'm very happy with it. Actually, what I really wanted to see on the video was the dust collection part in the back. I want to see if the DEWALT vacuum the DEWALT vacuum hose will fit, which is a probably should. This is the DEWALT cordless corded 20 volt. It does fit. It's a little bit loose. I think this is a little bit small for what I needed to do. But with the Vac Master, it should slide right in, and it doesn't. I don't want to use the dust bag, but I think I might have to. Unless I make some sort of an adapter for that one. I think an inch and a half plumbing, what is that called, Mike? Coupling. A rubber coupling will actually work for that. Probably post another video on that unless I just pause this one. But there's the bag. All the other videos I saw actually said DEWALT on the bag. This one doesn't. And that one fits right in. Couple tools over here, instructions, and then just a clamp. That's pretty much it for the unboxing of the saw. That's what it looks like brand new out of the box. Lock right there. Battery slot on the side over there. Let me grab the 6 amp hour battery. That's what I'll use tomorrow. And then there's supposed to be a button on top for the light. There it is. Safety on the hand part. Let me see. Try to take this video left-handed. It's very smooth. Six amp hour battery. I'll probably take a 6 amp hour battery from this one and have it as a spare, although it's supposed to cut a lot of cuts, and I'm not really doing a whole hell of a lot tomorrow. You can adjust it from the back, loosen this, slide it back and forth. There was a lot of talk about this only being a single bevel, but my small Porter cable is also a single bevel, so I needed an excuse to get this tool because I've been wanting it for a long time, and now it's here. It's the Vac Master vacuum I'm going to be using. If not, I'll just bring it along with me, see how much dust this thing actually collects, and kind of just vacuum everything with the HEPA vacuum. Alright, thanks for watching.